Hey everyone, this is Samuel Dennison, your academic coach here, and today I'm going to talk about retaking a quiz. So, you've taken your quiz and you don't really like the grade that you got on it, and you want to take the quiz again. Well, you see that once you've submitted your quiz or your exam, you'll be taken straight to your answer sheet. It's going to show you the grade that you received on that quiz, and it's also going to show you the requirement for passing that quiz. From there, you can actually look at feedback and see exactly where you went wrong. You'll see where you maybe got partial credit on some questions, or maybe you just outright got the question wrong, and it'll show you that and the reason why you got the question wrong. If you are not satisfied with your quiz, you can retake the quiz. And you'll just do that by the keep learning button right there. You can always go back, hit that previous button, and then you'll hit the try again. And this will bring you right to a brand new quiz. Keep in mind that you can take your quiz retake your quiz as many times as you want, and Coursera will only recognize the highest score that you get on the quiz. So get it right, and that way you submit it the way you want it done, and you don't have to rely on that lower score. You can make sure you get 100 every single time.